Wow, you're looking so good, really.
Okay, first you say, are you streamer?
No. You know, this is blue diamond,
Hmm.
this is red diamond, and this is green diamond.
Hmm.
You know, where is the red diamond?
In middle picture.
No, this is.
Oh, okay. That.
Hey, listen.
Hmm.
I am not an organ donator, but I will give you my heart free.
No, it's fulfilled. No, this side. It's fulfilled.
Okay, you don't take my heart.
No.
Okay, please give me some space in your heart.
అది అవదమ్మా.
Wait, I searched. No, everyone is fulfilled.
Hey, fulfill.
It's fulfilled.
You looking like Joya in Animal movie.
I know.
Do you like sleeping?
Yeah.
Can you try
a
with me?
lot. No,
No,
I like to sleep alone.
you like alone.
Yeah.
But try with
No.
me. It's so beautiful and
No.
gorgeous.
Daddy.
I can ask you one question for you, okay?
Okay.
2 white balls and black dot in it.
Books.
Eh? No, not that. Listen.
I.
Hey, intelligent girl. Hey. What is your mother tongue?
My mother language. My mother language is Bangla.
Bangla. Can you teach me something in your language?
Yeah, sure. What is your name, by the way?
My name is Sunil, but you can call me baby.
Anil. No, I don't want. I want to say Sunil. Okay.
Okay.
If someone asks you in Bangla, what is your name? In Bangla, তোমার নাম কি?
Okay. मेरा नाम Sunil.
Sunil. Yeah.
Yes. But hey, listen. But I wanna tell you something. Someone told me. What did you say? I love you in Bangla?
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি.
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
जान दे देंगे इसके लिए. నువ్వు సూపర్ రా.
Thank you, Nana.
Are you single or committed?
I'm not committed, not single. I have a crush.
अच्छा.
I have a biggest crush on one.
Who is your crush?
Okay, I will tell you it next time.
But my crush is you. All time.
No, it's not.
No. But my crush is you. Seriously, you're looking so gorgeous.
You
Hey.
you said love you for her.
Yeah, I don't like that girl. I like you. Really. Hey, really, you looking hey, you looking really so cute and pretty and so hot and
Beautiful.
sexy. Hot and
Beautiful.
sexy.
ఇవే తగ్గించుకుంటే మంచిది.
Hey, listen.
Mm.
Okay, listen. Please hold it, please. I like your cheek.
Okay. Circle and okay.
Hey, really, you looking so good. Really.
Okay, thank you.
Which country?
I'm in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. But what's happened?
Bro.
Okay. Hey, you are my sister, but not this girl. Yeah. Hey, really, I can't stop my feelings. Really. Hey, seriously, will you marry me?
Oh.
Okay?
Please,
Will you?
don't say it. This
Okay.
is amazing.
Okay, listen. Okay, like hold your hands like this. Wait.
చిన్ని చిన్ని ఆసే సిరి వెన్నెల్లోన పూసే
Okay, listen.
How many girls you prefer in there?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't.
You're not sure.
Yes, but so many girls are proposed me, but I don't like that girls.
Oh, really?
But I like only one girl. That's you. Really? Okay.
మై డియర్ వ్యూవర్స్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్లుని పగిలిపెట్టి కొట్టండి. అలానే లైక్ కొట్టి షేర్ చేయండి.